And this is the Euro USD digital option. You can see that it's an uptrend right now. It's an uptrend. There's all that resistance there, followed by uptrend. Look at that. So I'm gonna stick to the 15-second candle chart. Look at that. So it's a very small upward trend and there's no huge movement. Look at this. Look at this Great Britain down up on Japanese yen. So I'm gonna wait for the resistance to come in and I'm gonna just see if it stops, go back up. So look at that. It's also a weird chart right now. I don't know, the markets are down today, but look at the resistance. It's so different. It's an upward trend, resistance, upward trend, resistance, upward trend, resistance, and upward trend. So it's still going up, you know. So I think again I can put my money in right now and check if it goes up. But at the same time, I'm gonna wait to see if there's more resistance, because if you look at some of these trends, if you look at this is already resistance over here, and it just went up and came back down immediately, right? So this is not one good way to go about it. So I'm going to wait it out and see. Look at that, it did come down. If I would have gone in, I would have lost money. At the same time, look at this red line going above and the blue line probably would cross beneath. That's a bearish indicator. It probably could be a downtrend coming in, you know. So you have to wait it out, you have to wait till the trend sets and then probably trade. Look at that, this resistance level is crossing the previous ones. So it could be a start of the downtrend. You should stop, check if it does go below, and then probably when it comes back up again, it starts going bearish, you go in and you short it out. Look at that, that's some nice resistance coming in. Again, it's a bullish indicator. I went in, so let's look at that, it immediately went up. So that's how you trade. I mean, this was an uptrend, there was some resistance, it stopped and I traded. Now it could very well go down, you could lose your money, but most of the time you're going to be right. Okay, being wrong is only possible if the trend is too haphazard, if the trend changes and you couldn't identify that, or not following discipline. These are the only three ways. Now I can lose money here, because this is a weird trend. It's a very small uptrend, but at the same time the volatility is not so high that it will come down immediately. It's quite possible in this area. So when you're not sure and you are in a profitable region, just take your profits. Don't wait it out. If you're really risky, look at that. This is risky over here. Okay, but at the same time, most of the time you're gonna be right. 5 seconds and the money is ours. Look at that. Right? So that's a 15-minute time frame. If you zoom in, it's gonna be a bigger movement over here. So let's look for the pound. Look at that. The blue line is going to intersect from beneath, and I think that's a very good bullish indicator. This is a resistance coming in. Once it comes here, and if the blue line crosses the red line from beneath, goes up, and it's still above the cloud. Look at this green cloud. If the price is above the cloud and that happens, it's a very good bullish indicator. So let's wait this out. Let's check if this goes to the resistance level. Okay, the resistance is gone. I'm going to go in. I think it's going to go up now. Let's see. So you need to understand two things. If you make losses, don't worry. Okay, you need not worry. Look at that, it went up. So you need not worry. You can make a lot of money. You can make a lot of losses. Why I did that? Look at this cross over here. That's what I saw. The price is above the cloud, and the blue line crosses the red line from beneath. You don't need to understand all these things. Okay, you just need to understand what the line means, right? Oh great, look at that. So that could be a change again. Look at that. It probably could come back down. So you never know what will happen. But if you stick to the basics, they're mostly going to pay off, and you're mostly going to make money. And if the chart is weird like it is right now, it's better if you sell off when you have profit. So it's not going to be very easy at first. It's going to take a lot of time. So the reason I went and did that $10,000 account again is just to show you that it actually works. The reason is most people lose money is there's no trend in the chart they're trading. You have to first find a security where there's some trend, but there's some good trend, and you can identify the trend, and at the same time where it's not very volatile, just volatile enough for you to make money. And look at that, it could come back down and crash, right? But at the same time, you're sticking to the basics, you're doing everything right. This can happen once in a while, it can come down and go beneath suddenly, probably because of volatility. If that happens, you should understand that the security is too volatile to trade. You should probably let it be for some time. Come back later on and check graphs when it's at a better place, So thanks for watching, guys. This is how you can trade really well, and Look at that. We got how much? 11,000 right now already from 10,000. That's a 10% increase. So that's how you trade. The only reason I'm not using real account here is because I don't have a great internet connection. I cannot afford to lose a lot of money right now. So the moment I get a good connection, the moment I get some deposits in, I'll start trading a real account. So if you like this video, please leave a like. If you think it's great, please subscribe. Before I go, I'm going to make one more trade and top it off in a really well manner. Look at that. It's probably going to be a downtrend setting in. You never know. You never know. You just have to wait out and check what happens. Okay, this is still bullish. I'm going to take it back to G2. Let's see what happens. Okay, it's the end of the resistance probably. Yep. It's probably the end. Oops, look at that. Look at that. That was late. That was so late. Look at that was so late. I mean, anything can happen. So you gotta stick to the basics. You gotta wait for the resistance, okay? And you gotta wait out the resistance. You gotta wait till the resistance ends. If you go in too early, if I would have gone over here, I would have lost money, right? Probably. And if you see that it's too haphazard, you wait. If it's too haphazard, you need not go in all the time. You can probably just sell out immediately, and you can take the profits, right? So let's wait out for 24 seconds, guys. I'm gonna stop this video in 22 seconds and see what happens. Immediately after that, if you like the video, do leave a like, guys. It will help me a lot. And if you love it, just please subscribe, okay? Thanks for watching, guys. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Thanks for watching, guys. This is Wealth Workout.